Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kasorga jila hani kasngi kala pelai pat ba ya commission mode project ban penklan ya kuat ke subah habede berkerukom sam ya Khaw Rashon. Habakran bekinong thok kubor Menteri Beripet ya ketanat Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs uba Comingone ambon. Hani kasngi ulaong makadan kam kerki ekani commission hak ba ulaong batang sa pupra point hanyo persen kibayo ajimentai na National Food Security Act kibala Pynïasoh bat ka Aadhaar hak ba palat khatwe langut kibai pat haban pendap hapo kini ki prapusaus ni ki banwan uba ambon ula benrap dak baong ban Pynïasoh ya ka Aadhaar kalong ke badan kam ban pendu ya ke jinya keju ar laiteli kani kan pe ba ki badai hok kinyo ban pelat na ke jing penan kam bakla ula pen menaru baka sarkar ka sepenlong ya ke jing pen sngut ho pat ba halor kani kenang baki pat ba ke jela kin sngut ho ula kentu ya baro ki pat ba ke jela ban Pynïasoh ya lade ban yo yu Khaw Rashon Barada kimle kumta kan wan kapor bikin yo shu ya Khaw Rashon.
Today we launched this very important mission we call Mission Mode. You see, regarding this ration card, the government of India, they already given us the deadline regarding this to do this complete KYC for this ration card holder. The deadline for this is on the 30th June 2025. Through you, I request all the people in our state, those who have this, the beneficiaries of this NFSA, they should have this Aadhaar card and do the seeding also. As of now, in our state, only 49.61 Aadhaar already seeded. Then I request all the beneficiaries to complete 100% seeding regarding this Aadhaar. That's why the government of India, if our people didn't want to do this, I think maybe the government of India will cut the allocation of rice. This is a scheme of central government, not a state scheme. The government of India pressuring us regarding this EQIC. This Aadhaar mean to do the accountability, to do the transparency. Suppose if you are the beneficiaries, you collect the ration from the fair price shop. After you do this fingerprint or not, the government of India, they already know, oh, Master Aid already leave the food grain from the dealer.
To chaos in fair price shops whenever seeding is done. So what will be a strategy to ensure a hassle-free seeding for all the beneficiaries?
Look, we have all the deputy commissioner, we have in the office of the block level, they have the people to do the Aadhaar and all. People, they can go and generate Aadhaar from the district and from the block office also.
How do you ensure that in the absence of internet facilities here, maximum you don't get internet facilities?
No, that is, I'm not agree. Now even in the rural areas also, all the internet facilities also is available, no? I think.
Are you not aware the EPOS machines are not working? None of them.
No.
Here in the city, if you go and check, I have checked, many are not functioning.
Ask them to complain to us, no? If they didn't working, then ask them to complain to the office, then the office will take it accordingly.
So this concentration of 49% that you mentioned, where is it exactly? Which districts, if you can tell us, and where is it lying?
All the district, we have some the district is only 38%, like Nongstoin, only 38%. Like in Mairang, only 38%. And also Nongpo also only 39%. And Shillong is 41.31%. And Bakmara is 43.38%. Sora, they cross 50%, 50.73%. And Penosla, 51%. And Tura, 53.46%. Jowai, 53.51%. Clariat, 54.16%. And Risbel Para, 54.37%. and Amarem 57.53%, and William Nagar 58.20%, Ampati 61.12%, and Dadengere 65.68%.
Sir, is it necessary for one nation, one ration?
Yes, yes. The government of India had already announced one nation, one ration.
So
What
why-
is the
We
main-
already implemented regarding that also.
What is the reason for it that people are still not seeding or the Aadhaar list?
That is very difficult to say. I think from your side also, kindly explain people properly. Suppose in your village, like in West Kashmir, you see the West Kashmir is the lowest Aadhaar seeding in the state. I think we should explain them now. We're trying to work hard, and we'll send the message through radio, we'll send through TV channel, we'll send through all the local media and all. We'll do the publicity accordingly.
So altogether, like how many beneficiaries are there for this ration card? And also, like during your discussion, what were the suggestions from the stakeholders during your meeting which you had?
We have the beneficiaries around 21 lakhs. Then the Aadhaar seeding is only 10,64,000. That is 49.61%. Say something. Or what else
I
question?
mean, like during your meeting with the stakeholders just
Today.
now, what were their suggestions? What were
Oh.
their concerns?
You see, from the Sanjuki Rangba Chinong, Sanjuki Wahe Chinong, they already suggest us, we'll keep it with, we'll have the meeting with the Sanjuki Darbar Chinong and with the Sanjuki Rangba Chinong. From them also, they can help us, they can help the department. We'll go through cluster wise. Maybe 10 villages will call one meeting, 10 villages will have one meeting. I think within this 3 months, we can achieve this 100%.
So as of now,
There were some problems because there are a lot of applicants, they wanted also to be included. So whatever,
That is after the caste census we do.
that is pending for a very long time.
Yes, very long time. This is a census. Caste census is not a state subject. This is a central subject.
But you are depriving the people.
Yes. What can I do? This is a central scheme, not a state scheme. That's why if the people do this Aadhaar seeding and all, even this beneficiaries already there also, they will not get the ration if they don't want to do the seeding.
Mana kasi kuya. Kerja ayu yang kita ki.
Instruct the government of India as per Supreme Court ruling, kau bawa no beriu bomle seeding, kabah ajungu the government of India kan nampak kau sini sini. Lagi.
Kamu dia kena lagi bumbling.
Gibambling ada. Kalau dia kau case apa social welfare. Social welfare how many percent before? 17% something.
So
no?
they have done a campaign a year and a half back, sir, and they have been able to cover.
Then after the government of India got down the allocation, 3 months they achieve 100%. Our people is humanity and attitude. No? We are all the time is we lags behind her. In the government of India, Meghalaya is the lowest achievement of this Aadhaar. Only the Meghalaya is the less.
Kaya ima kata kadaw.
Ngam tipi ka daw. Meghalaya.
Let's say kalau
Itu bakla yi Gibril, nama Gibril jong khamtam senong ngedong. Kiteng deh. Te nagalia ngajong nga kerpa deki bakim de berting. Wan mi chekmat. Ngar bladep le ga Aadhaar setting. Ngaladep link yo Aadhaar jonga. Haboro ki kam ki jam ki jonga. Ki bank account detail jonga. Ngapai kemudian problem. Kene kalong tang menta ka transparency. Kanam don ga no ga miss. Mo management langba Aadhaar pila ayo ulut kecik baro. Ngalalu bersimting ngala persyang ban review ngala ong yagi baro ki supply official baro ki department jongi ban lek sanong kendong ngala don lu ka phone bagi ai ki bikin pelong ya awareness program haman lagi district haman lagi belum ngala de ble ki taru ni beri umwan cek mat ngin lagi no tagane ong baga nang ni salai benangi dang don ngapor lagi beri wi kwa ki de ban cek mat ban lek wot ya ka.
so just one.
You already instruct the department to do through proper publicity like TV channel, radio, even the what you call the song also. We already instruct some of these artist people. They already made the song and all to ba soklat something. Why do? one job chocolate. Utu la chana ka ka sor. Ula tem ka sor po radio also na matagani. Tingi la le ka bade bande. Tingi la persyang, we trying hard regarding from the department. From your side also, I request all of you kindly do this publicity in the right manner. Thank you so much.
Well, sir, what are the problems that people are facing when they are not doing this Aadhaar seeding? Because people are not knowing what are the problems.
The problem, if they are not seeded the Aadhaar, I think the allotment for them, the government of India, they will cut. They will not get the ration. That is the
Why are you
problem.
not involving church leaders? Because there are some elements of superstitions involved in not taking.
Especially in villages.
Aadhaar.
We're trying to involve this church leader also.
Were they part of the discussion today? In today's
No, today they didn't come.